In this video, we will discuss about project cost calculations or project cost estimation. Each project cost estimation depends on material cost, installation, commissioning and testing cost, labor cost, equipment cost, overhead cost, administration cost, and profit in case a contractor is doing price. Project cost is basically divided into direct and indirect cost. Direct cost. Direct cost includes material cost, installation, commissioning and testing cost, labor cost, and equipment cost. Indirect cost includes overhead cost, administration cost, and profit. Material cost. Material cost is a direct cost required to purchase construction material for any project. Installation, commissioning and testing cost. Sometimes installation, commissioning and testing cost is calculated with material cost. After purchasing material, there is required resources for installation, commissioning and testing. This cost is called installation, commissioning and testing cost. Labor cost. Labor cost is related to manpower resources for any project. All the sum of wages, benefits, taxes on labor salaries, etc. are called direct labor cost. There is also indirect labor cost. Equipment cost. The cost to owning, renting and operating required equipment for any project is called equipment cost. In cost estimation, mostly equipment rent is calculated according to project execution time frame. Project overhead cost. Project overhead cost is basically indirect cost. Project overhead cost include insurance fee, interest rate for bank guarantees, property tax, company legal fee, accounting expenses, certificates renewal fee, travel expenditure, rent, advertising expenses, utilities, and phone bills, etc. Project overhead cost is mostly fixed and almost it's less than 15% of total project cost. Administration cost. Administration cost is the cost for the salaries of senior management for any company, IT and finance department services, etc. Administration cost sometimes collectively estimated with overhead cost also. Project profit. When a contractor will estimate project cost for execution, then he will put his profit in project cost also. Project profit varies project by project. In estimation, commonly 10 to 20% profit is calculated for cost. Now we have one example for project cost calculation or estimation. Let's we have a project and the material cost for this project is $10 million. Installation, commissioning and testing cost is $5 million. Labor cost is let $3 million. Equipment cost is $2 million. So the total direct cost is $20 million. Next is overhead cost. Let's for this project it's $2 million. And the administration cost is $1 million. and a contractor is adding his profit, let $3 million. So total indirect cost will be $6 million. Now total estimated project cost is $26 million.